Welcome back again, and as per your demands, I am now telling you about the branch MD Peds, MD Pediatrics. And for the general category again, the rank and marks for the last seat in MD Pedia in general category in Neet PG 2018 National Counseling. So round 1, 401 4107 rank and 660 marks were required for the last seat of MD Pediatrics in general category, and in second round 4205 and 659 marks are required for the last seat in round second for the general category. Now for the OBC category, the in round 1 last rank 2829 and 685 marks, and in round 2 3088 rank and 680 marks were required for the last seat allotted for MD Pediatrics in OBC category in Neet PG 2018 National Counseling. Now for the SC category, the statistics change a little bit. For the last rank goes to 15,129 rank and 547 marks in round 1 counseling, and second round 19,024 rank and 521 marks are needed for the last seat in the MD Pediatrics in SC category in Neet PG 2018 for the SC category. Now for the ST category in Neet PG 2018 National Counseling, for round 1 23,142 rank and 496 marks, and in round 2 26,968 rank and 475 marks for the last seat in MD Pediatrics in government colleges in Neet PG 2018 National Counseling. Now general physical handicap candidates got the last seat for MD Pediatrics in round 1 and at 70,472 rank and 302 marks, and for the round second 66,464 rank and 315 marks for the last MD Pediatric seats in general physical handicap candidates. Now for the SC physical handicap candidates, no seats were there for the round 1, but in round 2 luckily they got it in 68,936 rank and 307 marks, the last seat of MD Pediatrics in SC physical handicap category. Now OBC physical handicap category, no seats were allotted. So this is for MD Pediatrics, and if any other branch is remaining, I guess mostly I've covered all of them, and if anything is remaining, do tell me. I will do a video on that. Thank you.